Hello students, today we are going to discuss the exercise 4.2. I have already uploaded the numericals of this exercise. If you haven't checked, the link will be above. Please do and check it. Let's start the exercise. First one is fill in the blanks. So, a hill road is an example of inclined plane. A fishing rod is an example of lever of third order. Fishing rod, third order. A knife is an example of simple machine called wedge. Next, a claw hammer is an example of lever of first order. Moving parts of a machine lubricated or oiled so as to reduce the friction. Fine. So this was the first part. Now the second one is true false. Weighing balance in example of lever of first order, it is true. A ramp is used in the workshop to move heavy loads in example of inclined plane. True. Steering wheel of a car is an example of pulley. False. It's an example of wheel and axle. Simple fixed pulley does not change the direction of applied force. It is also false. Lock and key is an example of lever of first order. This is true. Now the last part of this. In case of lever of third order, the effort arm is always longer than the load arm. So it is longer की जगह हम लिखेंगे smaller. Fine. Now the next thing in this, as you can see, the kitchen knife is an example of lever of third order. So इसमें हम kitchen knife की जगह लिखेंगे bread knife. A wheel and burro is an example of lever of first order. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर की जगह आप लिखेंगे सेकेंड ऑर्डर. सिंपल फिक्स्ड पुली इज सुपीरियर. सुपीरियर को कट करेंगे एंड इट विल बी इंफीरियर देयर. हैंड ग्राइडर इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पुली. नो, इट्स एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ व्हील एंड एक्सेल. फाइन. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज MCQs. In a lever of third order, अब third order में FLE, the effort is in the middle of the load and fulcrum. In case of lever of second order, load arm is always smaller than the effort arm. Load arm जो होती है वो सबसे छोटी होती है, smaller than the effort arm. Next, a staircase is an example of inclined plane. Staircase is an example of inclined plane. Then we have machines are require proper maintenance for their efficient use, preserving them, making them look good. बोथ ए एंड बी, दैट मीन्स उनके एफिशिएंट यूज़ के लिए और उनको प्रिजर्व करने के लिए. अ स्पेड इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वेज. नाउ योर मैच इट. एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंपल मशीन कॉल्ड व्हील एंड एक्सेल इज डोर नोब. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लीवर ऑफ थर्ड ऑर्डर, दिस इज फायर टोंग. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लीवर ऑफ सेकेंड ऑर्डर, दिस इज नट क्रैकर. Material used for reducing the friction at a movable parts. This one is oil and grease. Machine commonly employed for lifting water from the village well. Village well के लिए से हम क्या use करते हैं? Fixed pulley. Fine. So now next thing, कुछ और चीज़ें हैं इसमें that we have to discuss. Like forceps, classify the following as the lever of first, second and third order. Forceps, third order. Pliers, lever of first order. Nutcracker, lever of second order. Lock and key, lever of first order. Fishing rod, third order. Seesaw is first order. And one more thing that is there, classify the following simple machines. Railway signal is a lever. Jack screw is a screw. Bread knife is a lever. Doorknob, wheel and axle. Staircase, inclined plane. Wheelbarrow, it's a lever. Fine. Thank you. Thanks for watching.